our lives be without color? Colors color our everyday life so that it's wonderful. And colors color our language. Hi, remember me? I'm Dora, and welcome to a colorful episode of Bite Size English, your daily bite of English. In today's show, we're looking at some more idioms, but this time they are idioms with color words. If you're interested in learning idioms, watch our other episodes about them on our Bite Size English YouTube channel. Subscribe now, and you'll never miss an episode. Follow us on our website, bitesizeenglish.com, or on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn to get worksheets, tips, or new language points. Watch to the end and try the quiz. I bet you'll pass with flying colors. Let's begin. Listen to me first without any subtitles. Can you hear the idioms? Write down what you think were the idioms. My friend was in hospital out of the blue. He caught a thief red-handed at the store he worked at. The thief tried to get away by throwing a chair at him, and my friend was all black and blue from falling over the chair. He told his parents a white lie that it was an accident. When the thief was asked why he did it, he said he was green with envy that all his friends had money. The company he stole from is always in the black, so he didn't think they'd miss what he stole. What a crazy story! When things in life just happen suddenly, we say that it happens out of the blue. No one would think that something like this would happen. It's a surprise, and this idiom can be for both negative or positive situations. I wish it was a story about how someone won millions of dollars out of the blue. So when the thief was caught red-handed, what can you imagine that means? Did someone see him steal something? Yep, someone saw him do the crime. What does the color white mean to your culture? In some cultures, it means death. In others, it means purity, innocence. To tell a white lie is still a lie. It means you told something untrue. But it didn't come from a place of evil, but a place of good, because you didn't want to hurt someone's feelings, or you wanted to avoid getting into an argument. People tell white lies every day. Just think. You're eating something horrible and your mother, the person who made it, asks, "How's the food?" You say, "It's good," right? What makes you feel jealous? The color green is a color about jealousy since the days of the ancient Greeks. It's true. So that's why we say people are green with envy. Don't forget to say the entire phrase. When you see someone and they're all black and blue, what do you think? We might think they had an accident, a serious accident, or they got into a fight and someone seriously hurt them. Their skin is all black and blue with bruises or bumps. When a company is in the black, they are making lots of money. But the opposite, when a company is in the red, they are losing money. When accountants used old calculators that printed out the calculations, positive numbers were printed in black ink and negative numbers were printed in red ink. Did you notice the verbs we use for these idioms? How about the prepositions? Rewatch this video and take note of the exact words used in these idioms. Now here's the quiz. Which idioms use the verbs to be? To be caught red-handed, to be green with envy, to be all black and blue, to be in the black or red. Which idioms uses the color red and a passive voice? Hint, there's a past participle. To be caught red-handed. Which idioms have the color blue? Out of the blue, to be all black and blue. When a lie is innocent and not mean, what do we call it? A white lie. What's the color jealousy? Green, as in to be green with envy. So what's the tip? Think of writing these idioms in the colors that are said. Visuals in color help you remember them better. That's the end of this episode, but if you liked it, watch the others. What else do you have to do? Have a good one wherever you are, and see you next time here on our YouTube channel, Bite Size English. Thanks for watching.